New information tonight regarding a man linked to the investigation of the unsolved murders of Libby German and Abby Williams in Delphi back in 2017.
Two podcasters who have broken several stories about the case have uncovered court documents that show state police have more interest in that man who's been linked to the investigation. Tonight, CBS 4's Russ McQuaid joins us from the newsroom with the very latest.
Kegan Kline already faces 30 counts of child pornography that were uncovered by Delphi investigators looking into the unsolved murders of Abby Williams and Libby German. And now it would appear from some court documents revealed by the Murder Sheet podcast that perhaps Kline recently went on a road trip with Indiana State Troopers. Libby German and Abby Williams were walking on the Monon High Bridge east of Delphi on February 13, 2017. Later that afternoon, a frantic search began that ended with the tragic discovery of the girls' bodies upstream from the bridge on the banks of Deer Creek. As investigators and the public have been frustrated by the search for the killer, Murder Sheet podcasters Anne Kane and Kevin Greenlee have dug into the case to uncover key court documents, and they're back tonight with their latest find. This court order giving the Indiana State Police temporary custody of Kegan Kline, who Delphi investigators discovered was communicating with Libby German through a social media app the night before the girls disappeared, while at the same time Kline's attorney is asking to delay his client's pretrial conference because, quote, negotiations are going on.
It seems like a reasonable assumption would be that Kegan Kline made some sort of arrangement with representatives of the Indiana State Police to help provide some information about where some significant piece of evidence could be found.
And on Tuesday, Greenlee and Kane were in Peru snapping these photos of a state police search of the Wabash River.
Our understanding from anonymous sources is that that search is connected to something involving Kegan Kline.
Kegan Kline does not face any charges related to the Delphi case, though the podcasters who say they follow court filings and tips, not scenarios and speculation, continue to believe that investigators believe the Kline line of inquiry may be the best bet they've got to solve the Delphi killings.
The Kline lead is very much at the forefront here.
We asked both the state police and the FBI for comment on these findings. Meanwhile, you can catch up with the latest from the podcasters Greenlee and Kane on their podcast, The Murder Sheet, which dropped a new episode today. In the newsroom, Russ McQuaid, CBS 4 News.
Russ, thank you. Anyone with information on the deaths of Abby and Libby should call the number or use the email on your screen to see all this information again. Visit our website, cbs4indy.com.